problem here with that carburetor and the exhaust. But hey, let's go for a drive, huh? Enjoy this car. We're down at the stop sign here. It's running good, so watch for more videos on the series with the GM 153 Scotty swap. I'll catch you guys on the next one, and remember, stay awesome.